UBFI. Nasa ikalawang taon na kami, and alam nyo naman, nagkaroon ng stay order kaya kami nandito. But if you look around, ang ganda na ng ating swimming pool area. Nakita nyo, nadagdagan na ng konting space. Lahat na ito, ang pagpapaganda nito, pati yung park, ay ginawa ni Ms. Diana Maling. Diana? Kahapon po, na-review ko ang ating finances, and unprecedented. Hindi ka maniniwala ang non-resident stickers. Kung tutuusin nyo yung 150, we registered more than 10,000 vehicles ng residents. Hindi pa yan nangyayari sa buong history ng UBFI. And ang ating revenue just on stickers will carry out our operation up to the middle of next year. Ganyan ka-successful ang ating management ng ating finances. Meron po kaming tatawagin uling President's meeting by October. And yung naka-attend na sa inyo ng first 2 President's meeting, meron kaming mga goals. Marami dun sa goals, of course, ang number 1, yung tubig na solve na natin. Ang susunod naming sosolven o resolve yung amendment ng bylaws natin. Okay? Na-circulate na namin sa inyo yung amendments. Yung meeting natin gagawin sa October will be just to ratify. And then isusubmit na natin yon sa HLURB. Kanina nagmamalaki ako kay Councilor Goles. Sabi ko, pag nagawa natin ito, we will be the model of all homeowners association. Kasi kung tutuusin nyo, yung ating neighbor na Alabang Hills, hanggang ngayon, hindi pa nagkakasundo kung sino ang officers nila. And you look around, even inside UBFI or BF, magulo. Yung mga nakaupo, ayaw umalis sa posisyon. And common ito, yung gagawin nating amendments, unang-una, hindi general election, hindi general membership election. Itutuloy natin yung sectoral election, then yung 15 sectoral representatives will elect the officers. Okay? So sila ang mag-elect kung sino presidente, vice president, etc. 2, there will only be a maximum of 2 terms. Ibig sabihin 2 years. After that, hindi ka na pwedeng tumakbo kailan pa man. Ibig sabihin, kung may taong may motibo na magpayaman, hindi niya magagawa. He will not have the momentum para makaamas ng kwarta. Hindi mangyayari. Pangatlo, magkakaroon tayo palagi ng holdover, kapareho sa Senate. Ang kalahati, matitira, ang kalahati, i-elect. So every year, merong kalahati na natitira. And this would assure continuity of whatever program had been started. So magawa natin yun. Pang-apat, hindi natin gagawing permanent ang ELECOM. Yung mga nakaraang officers, ginawang permanent ang ELECOM. And hawak ang ELECOM sa kanila lahat ang pabor. Ngayon, every year, papalitan ng ELECOM ng current board. Current board ang pipili ng ELECOM, every year papalitan for the election. Ang isa pa naming isasama sa amendment, yung financial policies and procedures. Ilalagay natin yon as part of the bylaws. Maraming hindi ginawang hindi ginawa na conforme sa mga standards ng financial procedures. Kailangan ilagay natin yun. Halimbawa, nakakagawa ng cheque, paid to cash, ang amount 2.5 million. Paid to cash. Tingnan mo sa likod kung sinong nagpa-cash, yun yung pumirma. Hindi dapat yan mangyari. Lahat na yan, pag naisama natin yung financial policies and procedures, yung authority manual, wala nang gagawa nun. Sapagkat very clear na, pag nag-violate siya ng mga financial policies and procedures, pwede kagad siyang i-apply. Sa ngayon, wala tayo nun. So, nagagawa nila mga unusual transactions na hindi talaga accepted. So, we look forward to that, and maybe next year, lahat na inilagay naming goals ay ma-accomplish na natin, and then we'll say goodbye so that a new board can take over. Marami pong salamat.
Salamat, Leon. I think yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kaninang mga changes na darating pa, yun na nga yung minention ni Leon. But one thing important that we should take note is that kailangan actively participating na tayo ngayon, no? Vigilance is something that we should continuously be doing. Active involvement in our association, that will be required. In fact, we are calling back all those who disassociated with UBFI dahil gusto nga natin mabuo natin ito, no? So that when we turn it over to the next board, isang united BF talaga ang ibibigay namin sa kanila, no? And all of these changes that Leon has mentioned are meant really to put check and balances and control so that yung mga nangyari noon na wag na nating pag-usapan hindi na mangyari ulit, and that we will put professionalism and integrity into our association, no? So balik muna tayo uli sa tubig, and at this point I would like to call on the chairman of the Water Committee to give you additional updates kung ano pang dapat nating gawin o hintayin pa so that by December, by Christmas, lahat tayo maliligo ng malinis na tubig, no? So I'd like to call on Tony Tinsay.